Hi there, welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. A very big announcement from the CET cell. So, a lot of students had not registered for the second attempt because first attempt or second attempt का registration साथ में करना था and the window had closed. But due to student requests, the CET cell has issued this notice and has declared that 24th April, एक दिन के लिए you can register for the second attempt. And this will just be a 1 day window. इसके बाद कोई extension expect मत कीजिए because this is already a special extension. And the only catch here is that apart from the registration fees, you will have to pay a late fee of 500 rupees. इसके बाद कुछ instructions है from the CET cell that if they have missed the initial window, the candidates can register for the second attempt. जिसने भी दोनों attempt के लिए register किया है, they don't have to do anything. Candidates who have not yet generated the APAAR ID are required to create one through DigiLocker. There will not be any edit facility available for candidates registering during the extension period. So please register very carefully and ensure all the details are correct. And do keep a lookout for any notices on the CT cell, or you can follow us at the top percentile. You can subscribe to us to ensure कि आपका ऐसा कोई भी notice announcement miss नहीं हो. Thank you for watching. And if you are someone who has not appeared or not registered for the second attempt, please do so tomorrow morning itself. Don't waste any more time. I'll see you guys in the next video.